that way, so
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be showing you guys 5 different apps that I love to use to get really cute Instagram stories, and I'm just going to share them all with you guys and tell you what I like about each one. So the first one is called Canva, and a lot of people use this for like YouTube thumbnails and stuff like that, but I like to use it for Instagram stories, and I love the layouts that they have. They're so clean, but they also have some like cool paint swatches, some cool collages, and there's so many different options of what you can pick from. And I'm going to choose this one for an example, so you can change the pictures, you can insert your own, or they also have free images that you can use on the app. You can also add text, and they have really cool fonts, and you can change the font, like you can make it bigger, smaller, you can make the tracking bigger, the line spacing bigger, anything you want you can change basically. And they also have really cute graphics, so I'm going to put this little heart one on, and you can change the color of any graphic, which is so cool because I think it like adds something really special to your thumbnails or Instagram stories. Also, you can add multiple pages, so you can be working on 2 different pages, but basically on the same folder, if that makes any sense, which I think is pretty cool. You also have a huge color palette that you can change the background or any color of any graphic to. Here are some of the things that I have done, like this little end slate, and I've made this watermark and this Instagram highlight cover, and there's just a ton of things that you can do with Canva. They also have Snapchat geo filter templates, which are so cool because you can literally make your own geo filter, so they have all these templates for ideas and stuff like that. The next app is called Snow, and this is probably my second favorite app out of all of these. It has the best vintage filters and overlays in the game, literally so cute. They have these like recording ones, and you can add text to them, you can personalize them however you want. You can add subtle and soft filters. I love these filters because they make the images look so like cinematic and just really cool. I don't know. And you can also do photos, videos, music, and boomerangs with this. So you can have so many options on what you can do for your story. Here's me playing around with some of the filters. They are just so cute, and they make any regular story look so much better and like you tried a little bit harder. This is also one of my favorites, the film. Also, you can edit photos instantly after you take them, so you can edit videos, boomerangs, photos right after, and there's also a before and after view, so you can compare it to what it looked like before. So my favorite app is called Unfold, and this one, you basically have a bunch of layouts that you can pick from in the app. You can pay for some, but the free ones are really good as well. And also what I love about this is that all the layouts are really minimal, and it's really like aesthetically pleasing. So you can change the background to pastel colors. They have really cute colors to pick from. You can add cute fonts. They have a couple of cute ones, but not as much as the next app I will show you. But I really like this swirly one. And you can also add more pages, and you can just play around with all the layouts. I think they're really cool and different. Also, you can put videos and pictures in the same one, which I think is so helpful. For example, I put a picture in the back of this one and a video in the front and a little border, and I thought it was so cute. The next app is called Fonto, and this is basically to put text on photos, and it's because of the font options you have. So for example, if I type "hey there" and I pick from all of these fonts, these are all the ones I have on the app. But you can also download your own fonts from dafont.com. I will leave a link down below on how you can download your own fonts to this app. You can tilt text, you can add shadows and outlines, and you can change the spacing, color, everything about the font. It's so customizable. You can even curve it and just literally change anything about it. They also have free graphics that you can use, and you can also change the color of them. I have used this in a lot of my playlist videos where I add that little heart thing or like music thing next to my phone. And the last app is called Hyperlapse, and this is for video stories where you want to stabilize the video. So say you're walking down the street and you want to take a video, it'll make everything really smooth and not like jumpy. You You can also speed up and slow down the video so it can be the exact speed you want. And you can also press and hold on it to see what it looked like unstabilized and then stabilized at the end. I think it's really helpful if you want to like up the quality of your videos. So those are all of the apps I'm going to show you guys for better Instagram story content. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it and if you want more videos like this. I love you so much and I will see you in my next video. Bye!